Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. Whether you are looking to separate your personal and professional accounts or just need a fresh start, this guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First of all, head over to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, look to the left hand menu and click Settings. Next, go to Permissions. Here, you will see the current owners and managers of your channel. To transfer your channel, you need to make your new Google account an owner. Click on Manage Permission or Invite. Enter the email address of the new Google account and select Owner from the drop-down menu. Our editor, viewer. After sending the invitation, the new account will receive an email like that. Make sure to accept the invitation to become an owner. Now, here's an important step. YouTube requires a 7-day wait period before you can transfer primary ownership. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers. While you are waiting, it's a good time to back up any important data or content. You can use Google Takeout to download your videos and other data. After the 7-day period, return to Manage Permissions. You can now change the primary owner to the new account. Simply click on the drop down to next to the new owner's email and select primary owner. Once the transfer is complete, you can remove the old account if you wish. Just click the X next to the old owner's emails. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your YouTube channel to a new Google account. Remember, this process keeps all your subscribers' views and content intact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.